Once upon a time, in a quaint little village, there lived a woman named Emma. Emma was in her late 60s and had been suffering from arthritis for many years. The pain and stiffness in her joints made it challenging for her to carry out everyday tasks, and she often found it challenging to enjoy the simple pleasures of life. One day, as Emma was walking through the village market, she overheard a group of people discussing the benefits of apple cider vinegar for various health conditions, including arthritis. Intrigued by the conversation, she decided to explore this natural remedy further. Emma approached an elderly herbalist who had a reputation for providing wise advice and remedies. She shared her struggles with arthritis and her interest in trying apple cider vinegar as a possible treatment. The herbalist smiled warmly and shared some knowledge about the potential anti-inflammatory properties of apple cider vinegar and its reputation for promoting overall health. He advised Emma to start with small doses, diluted in water, to ensure her body would tolerate it well. The herbalist also emphasized the importance of using apple cider vinegar as a complementary approach and not a replacement for medical advice or prescribed medications. Emma followed the herbalist's advice and began incorporating diluted apple cider vinegar into her daily routine. Over time, she noticed some positive changes. The pain in her joints seemed to lessen, and her mobility improved slightly. Encouraged by these initial results, she continued using the apple cider vinegar regularly. Alongside her apple cider vinegar regimen, Emma made other lifestyle changes. She adopted a healthier diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and anti-inflammatory foods. She also engaged in gentle exercises, like walking and yoga, to improve her joint flexibility and strength. As weeks turned into months, Emma's perseverance paid off. The joint pain that once burdened her daily life became more manageable. She could now participate in social gatherings, enjoy walks in the village, and even tend to her small garden with less discomfort. Word of Emma's success with apple cider vinegar spread throughout the village. Others who suffered from arthritis or various ailments began to try this natural remedy themselves. Emma's story inspired hope among her fellow villagers. Though she still had occasional flare-ups of arthritis pain, Emma remained grateful for the improvement in her quality of life. She continued using apple cider vinegar and maintained her healthier lifestyle, cherishing each day as a gift. As time passed, the village became known for its shared interest in natural remedies, and Emma's journey with apple cider vinegar played a part in fostering a sense of community and support among its residents. And so, the story of Emma and her experience with apple cider vinegar taught the village that sometimes, amidst life's challenges, hope and relief could be found in unexpected places, like a humble bottle of apple cider vinegar.